Nestled amidst the industrial heart of Manaus, Brazil, the tropical shed by Laurent Troost Architectures defies expectations. Where rows of warehouses and factories dominate the landscape, this unique project seamlessly blends archaeology with leisure, nature with urban life. The architects ingeniously reinterpreted the industrial aesthetic. Smooth rebar structures rise like skeletal giants, guiding the rapid growth of lush vines. These vines, destined to become a living roof, cast dappled shadows and create a cool, airy haven. Hanks, non-conventional food plants, weave themselves into the design, transforming this space into a verdant tapestry that nourishes both body and soul. At the project's heart lies a hidden oasis. Separated from the bustling street by a perforated brick facade, the leisure area unfolds. A table with an integrated barbecue beckons for gatherings, while a refreshing dip awaits in the inviting pool. Hammocks strung beneath the watchful gaze of the preserved tree provide a tranquil escape. This space transcends its designation as a leisure area for the office. It transforms into a vibrant extension of the neighboring house, fostering connection and community. The archaeology office itself occupies the back of the plot. Here, a solid brick wall snakes its way through the space, defining not just function but also perspective. Openings on either side bathe the office in natural light, while strategically placed hollows within the wall ensure refreshing cross-ventilation. The roof, seemingly floating amidst the vine-laden porticos, employs a clever rainwater harvesting system. Cascading water cools the space physically, while its gentle murmur creates a soothing soundscape, enhancing the overall sense of well-being. The tropical shed isn't just an office, it's a testament to the power of design to foster harmony between the urban and the natural, offering a glimpse into a future where the Amazon thrives even within the heart of the city. So, that's the tropical shed. A unique blend of archaeology, leisure, and a whole lot of nature. It's a fantastic example of how design can transform an urban space, reminding us that even in bustling cities, a connection to the natural world is possible. If you're looking for inspiration to bring a touch of the tropics to your own space, or if you're simply fascinated by innovative architecture, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this.